So a little while ago, I tried cooking a steak in a toaster to see if it was possible and if it would be as good as just a regular pan steak. Now, surprisingly, it actually turned out amazing, and it was actually really good.
Oh my god. Are you kidding me?
And it really got me thinking that if the toaster worked, why wouldn't anything else work? So today, that's what we're gonna find out. We're gonna try cooking this steak using 3 different home appliances. We're gonna be doing the dishwasher, a clothes iron, and the last one we're gonna be doing is the microwave. And we'll see how this goes. All right, so we got our 3 steaks, and we're first gonna start with the one in the dishwasher. We're gonna place the steak into this tin foil here and try to make it a little bit airtight so that the water and the soap or whatever doesn't get in.
Yeah, it's like you're wrapping a present.
Yeah.
Like a meat present.
Okay, so we have our little steak hot pocket ready to go into the dishwasher. So now we'll come over here, and we got our bad boy right here. And oh, it's perfect because we can wash it with the dishes. So it's a 2-for-1. Should we put it in the middle?
Yeah, I'd say put it in the middle. I think that's where like the most even concentration of heat it's gonna be. But
Perfect.
like, what the hell do I know about dishwashers?
So we're gonna put it right there. Here we go.
See you later, alligator.
So I'll put it on. I could do turbo.
Turbo.
Oh wait, there's high temp.
Would that overcook the steak though?
Because the turbo is like the fast mode.
Let's go high temp.
Okay.
Yeah.
We'll come back to this and we'll move on to the next one. Alright, so the next one that we're going to be doing is the clothes iron steak.
Gonna get those wrinkles out, Zach.
This. Alright, there we go. So this is our ironing board. Pop this onto here, and then we'll get some oil on the steak cube.
There you go.
And I think this is going to be great.
Yeah.
And after the toaster, I have faith, man.
Totally.
Ready?
Are you ready, Zach?
Should I touch it right to the steak?
Yeah, give it like a test touch. A touch and go. See if it actually sears. Yeah, okay, put it on.
Actually,
Yeah.
hang on. This is burning my hand. I'm going to get an oven mitt.
Get an oven mitt. Oh my god.
This is so ridiculous. Should I steam it?
No, just keep.
No?
I'd say keep the iron on for a bit. You know.
Oh, look at that!
It's actually working.
Dude.
Yeah, keep searing it. Keep searing it. So Zach, which one's gonna be your favorite? Do you think this is gonna be your favorite one?
I think this has to be.
Yeah.
Should I flip it soon?
Yeah, because I can start to see it cooking already on
Okay.
the inside. Get some tongs.
Get a tong here.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Listen to that sear. No one will ever know that we're cooking if someone comes over. Hey guys, we're cooking.
And doing the dishes, it's amazing. All right, so what do you think? Should we pull this?
Yeah, I think we're good, man. It looks good. It looks cooked.
So far so good.
So far, so good. I can tell it's going to be a nice medium rare.
Clothes iron steak. First of its kind. Moving on, we will go ahead and do the microwave steak. So this was a suggestion from someone in the comments who had seen our other video. I think this will definitely cook it, and this will definitely work. The question is, will it be good? So should we do like 30 seconds?
I'd say start with a minute.
A minute?
Yeah, start with a minute.
So here we go. And it goes. Steak in the microwave. Come back in a minute. Whoa!
Oh. It looks kind of sad.
Okay, let's take it out.
Well, maybe it's cooked on the inside. Maybe I do see some blood, right?
Let's flip it, I guess. This really doesn't look appetizing.
The fat's like all mushy.
The smell. Oh. We'll do another like 30 seconds and
just to be safe.
Just to be safe.
It makes this one look like a steak from a 5-star restaurant. I'd say take it out now, Zach.
Oh, why does it smell like that?
Oh my god, it's night and day.
So we're gonna go and take the dishwasher steak out, and we'll do the taste test. So here we go, dishwasher steak.
I think you can just pull it open, Zach. It's not like you're gonna flood the kitchen, right? I don't know. Did you? Yeah, there you go.
Okay, there we go. Let me just get in here.
There it is.
Here we go. And put this over here. And I'm very excited to open this up and see what it turned out to be. It's nice and warm.
It looks, yeah, it looks. I mean, I'm sure it's great.
It's a little damp.
Yeah,
you know?
I do see steam coming out of it though.
Here we go. Big reveal.
Moment of truth, Zach. It didn't even cook.
I think it needed some more time. Yeah, I think it needed like another hour. Realistically, that was in there for like half an hour, and that's all that it cooked. It is warm, but I don't really think it's worth putting it back in. So I think this one is just kind of going to be a fail, and we can just go ahead and try our microwave steak and our clothes iron steak. All right, so we'll start with this one here.
This is the clothes iron steak.
The clothes iron steak.
Oh boy.
Okay, that got super cooked.
But it was so deceiving because look at the sides.
Yeah, because here...
It's pink, but
pink,
that didn't
but-
get direct access to the element. So,
Yeah.
man, oh man. All right, Zach, give it a taste.
For science.
What's wrong with it?
No. The plastic or something from the iron went into the meat.
What?
Like, this part, I don't know what it's made of, but it, like, melted into the meat.
Do you think it's toxic?
I don't think we should eat that.
Can I smell the meat? Can I just take a whiff of the meat?
Dude.
Here.
Take a whiff. Taste it, whatever, at your own discretion. I'm telling you.
Ugh. Ugh.
Do you know what I'm talking
Yeah.
about? Like, there's a weird, toxic flavor that went into it.
I don't know, man. That doesn't look safe at all.
Do not try this at home. That was not good. I think there's some kind of a coating or something. This is a brand new iron. I just bought it for this video, and this is not good.
Are we gonna die, Zach?
Maybe. Okay, so that was... Damn. Damn, dude. Both of them didn't work. That's 2 fails. This horrible looking and smelling microwave steak is our last hope. Oh.
Zach, are you scared to eat this one?
Why couldn't they all be like the toaster, man?
I don't know.
At least this one I don't think is gonna, poison me. There we go. So this is the commenter's suggestion. Again, we got a very well done steak, and we're gonna try this out.
It's not look happy right now.
It's so chewy. The texture is not good.
It doesn't look good from here, Zach. It looks gray. It doesn't even look like meat anymore.
I don't want to eat this.
Can I have a piece?
Yeah. Not good, dude.
Well, I gotta try it. I mean,
So chewy.
oh,
If you don't want to eat it, don't eat it.
I'm getting chills down my spine, dude.
Yeah.
Ugh. If I have to choose between the 3 of them,
Yes.
it does taste the best.
Yeah.
What do you think?
I think I'm just sad about the iron.
I think I'm gonna be sick.
Alright, well guys, this clearly didn't work. I had really high hopes after the toaster one went so well, but I think it's safe to say that you can't cook a steak with any appliance. You win some, you lose some. I think that's it for the steak series, at least for now. And,
We should try cooking it in the dryer next time.
maybe. Alright, see you guys on the next one.
So Zach, what are you gonna do with these?
I don't know, probably throw them out. I thought you didn't like it.
We can't waste food.